Hello and welcome to my new guitar nerdery video. Pinch harmonics, thumb harmonics or just squeals. Just names, they all mean the same thing. Creating sounds on your guitar that will probably attract or annoy cats and dogs. And besides that, they can deliver a great contribution to hard rocking music. I grew up with heavy metal and I was very fond of that guitar sound, that squealing stuff. Back then I didn't really train these artificial harmonics. I was so fond of that heavy metal guitar sound, and one of the first things I've learned was you have to hit them strings hard. And somehow I accomplished these squeals, and only later when someone asked me, hey, how are you doing this? I had to think about it. How does it actually work? The fretboard, the strings are full of harmonics, and one way to play them is just touch the string with one finger. The most played positions on the fretboard are the 12th, the 7th and the 5th fret. But as you heard before, there are many more harmonics you can find. These are open string harmonics and you cannot change the pitch, and you also cannot put a vibrato to it except you have a whammy bar. The 12th fret is the half of the string, and all harmonics you find on this side you can find also mirrored on this side. And with pinch harmonics you do not play them with your left hand but with your right hand. The benefit of this way is I can now fret with my left hand a note and shorten the string and change the whole harmonic system. I can even let chords squeal. How can you do this? Hold your plectrum very, very short. You see? You can hardly see the top. Then you hit the string hard. What has to happen then is first the tip of your plectrum hits the string, and then after that it has to snap against your thumb. And that would be the same what the string does with the open string harmonic. This is what your right hand did with open string harmonics, and this piece of your thumb is what your finger of your left hand did with the string, and so you have both together. Therefore you have also to turn your hand towards the guitar. When I pick normally like this, I shorten the plectrum and I turn my hand so that the piece of the thumb can hit against the string. And you also have to take care not to stay too long on the string with your thumb. Then you would damp it. You see, I can take away my hand and the harmonic stays. Finally, let me show you an extension of that. As you have seen, those harmonics are played with downstroke direction, because first you have to pick the string with the plectrum and then it has to snap against your thumb. It seems to work only this way. not upwards, not with upstrokes, because then you hit the string with the plectrum, but it can't snap against your thumb. But there is a way to do that. When you bend your picking hand and the plectrum more extreme until the tip of your thumb points downwards, then you can play these artificial harmonics with upstrokes. Let me show you close. So what happens here, if you hold the plectrum like this, so that the tip of your thumb is above the plectrum, then you can let the string snap against this piece of your thumb with the downstroke, and with the upstroke in this angle, the string also can snap against the tip of your thumb. You see, I hold the hand like this, very extreme. This was it for today. I hope you liked it. I wish you happy squealing, and I'm looking forward to see you next time.